Hello friends, welcome back. This is Jaya and welcome to my channel. Through my channel, I give simple and easy tips to organize your home. Today's video is going to be all about folding your t-shirts. I'm going to show you 5 different ways of folding your t-shirts. So let us begin with our first method of folding our t-shirts. So the first method is a common method that we are going to see. It's very simple, and after seeing this method, I know most of you are going to say that you were using this method from a very long time. Yes, it's a very common method of folding our t-shirts. So in this method, we lay our t-shirts flat on the surface with the front side facing up. Then you fold your t-shirt into half and join these sleeves together. Yes, now you fold the sleeves in and you fold it into half again. Here we are. So this is a first method of folding our t-shirt. Now we are going to see, it's called the store method of folding your t-shirts. In this, you place your t-shirt, the front side facing down. Now you hold one of the sleeves and the bottom of the t-shirt and fold it into half. Now you fold the other side into half, and from here you hold the bottom side of the t-shirt and flip it over, and here we are. Our store method of folding our t-shirts is this. Now we will see the military method of folding your t-shirt. You place your t-shirt with the front side facing upwards. Now you fold your t-shirt, tuck this in like this. Okay. This is the way you tuck the bottom side of the t-shirt. Now you fold one side inward. Now the other side. You can fold the extra sleeves that are coming out inside. Now you start rolling your t-shirt from the neck side down. Start rolling and you come towards the fold that we have done in the beginning. Now you flip this fold over your roll and tuck this roll inside. So this is the way you can fold your t-shirt, roll your t-shirts. So friends, most of us do not have an habit of folding their clothes using a platform. So we are in a hurry and we want a quick way of folding our clothes. So this is a very simple and easy method of folding your t-shirts. So you hold your t-shirts, one at near the collar or the neck and at the bottom, and you fold it like this. I hope you can see the fold. It is, yes, so you fold it like this. Now you join both the ends together. Yes, Now you fold in this sleeve area, that is the other side of other sleeve, and here your t-shirt is folded. So it's a very quick and easy method of folding your t-shirt. Just fold. So this method is called KonMari method. So in this method, we lay the t-shirt flat on the surface with the front side facing upwards. Now you hold one side of the sleeves and you bring this towards the center of the t-shirt and you fold the sleeves in. Now you take the other side and flip it over on the first fold that we had done to form a rectangle. Now you hold the bottom side of the t-shirt. We will fold it into half, but please remember to leave some space from the top, from the neckline. As you can see, I'll be leaving this much space. You fold it till here. Yes, to again form a rectangle. Now we fold it and again one more fold, and here we are. So if your fold is correct, the t-shirt will stand vertically on its own. So this is one of the method of folding your t-shirts. If you're wanting to store your t-shirt vertically, this is a very good method for folding your t-shirts. So friends, today we saw how to fold your t-shirts. 5 different and simple. I hope you have liked my video. If you have, please do not forget to like my video, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button for more videos like this every Saturday. Bye.